Welcome to the Timelock Documentation Landscape app, the easiest way to securely document your landscape maintenance. The first time you use the app, you'll need to create a project. Tap Projects on the main screen, then tap New Project. Give your project a name, then tap Create. Now, tap the project folder you just created. The next step is to add a worksite location. Tap New Location, then type in the name of the location. Now you're ready to add a certified landscape maintenance report to the location. Tap the worksite location you just created, then tap to add a new certification. Fill in the details and be sure to specify a client and property, then select a property type for the certification: residential, commercial, public works, school, or custom. To record the lawn area mode, just tap and enter the total in square meters or yards. Next, tap the toggles next to the tasks you completed to record the work. If you performed other maintenance, scroll down and tap Other Maintenance. Then choose the regular or annual maintenance task, add any relevant notes, and tap Save. Once the job is done, tap a photo icon to document its completion. Your photo will be watermarked with a time, date, and GPS stamp. And you can also set the ambient temperature in the upper right-hand corner. These readings are locked into the document so that it can't be edited. Add up to 15 additional photos as needed to create a thorough record. You can zoom in on them too so that all details are clearly documented. To finish certifying a job as complete, use the comment box to add any notes. Then tap the Property Maintained toggle. If the job couldn't be completed, leave the toggle in the default position. Tap Sign and Email to review your results, then add your signature right on the screen. Be sure to record the name and title of the landscape technician and any inspectors or administrative authorities as you attach their signatures to the record. Tap to add additional signatures if necessary. Finally, you'll submit the certification using the @ sign at the top right. The app will generate an email for your certification. Just add a subject line, enter the email addresses of the relevant parties, including yourself, and tap Send. It's important to note that you'll need to have an address set up in your device's default email app for this to work. Third-party email apps aren't supported. The app stores all completed certificates in the Emailed Certificates section on the home page. If you're doing a number of reports in a row, you can open an existing form from the Projects folder and duplicate it by tapping Edit at the bottom of the page. Note that photos will not be duplicated. You can even download work order schedules from Timelockdocs.com to help you coordinate the frequency of maintenance and the type of work being done. With the Timelockdocs Landscape app, you can create professional, secure reports in minutes from anywhere. For more support, documentation, and more information about the Landscape app, visit Timelockdocs.com.